anything could happen. People could just run up and go mental.
To live, to love, to find out who we were made of stronger stuff.
Damien Rice, Glenn Hansard, both buskers in Grafton Street. So we've got a real culture of busking. So I think a lot of the tourists come here specifically to see the buskers. So it plays up and down. So that means there's a lot more buskers too. Whereas if you go to Germany and play there, you might be 3 people playing on a street. Here there's probably 10. I've done 35 cities so far in the last few years, and I started off, I was an engineer before that. I was on holidays and played some street music for fun and just kind of never went back to my job. So in Grafton Street we have a special licence, so you have to apply to the city council and you have to get it, and then we have a very low noise level restriction. I don't know if you heard, I was very quiet when I played. That's to keep everyone happy, and then the businesses will not complain, I guess. In terms of other buskers, there's just queues. So you show up and there could be 3 people in front of you, and it's something people don't realise. I think it's just you show up and play, but like I've been here since 8 a.m. for that hour that I played, you know. The bad side is, of course, you get people robbing you all the time, you can get attacked by people all the time. But then the good stuff too, you see I've gotten about 20 proposals in front of me when I'm playing, you know, a crazy amount. Lots of cool little experiences of people flying you over to where they're from to play a concert after seeing you on the street. It's just a cool place. Anything can happen, you know, and I love the spontaneity of it.
So I'm playing Irish trad music, and I was living in Sweden. And when I got the opportunity to go to Ireland, I said, this is the perfect place for playing trad. It's definitely different to Sweden, but also I realized here in Ireland on Grafton Street, it's more of a competition between the buskers. While if you go to other places, I experience a bit more friendly, and buskers play with each other and do music together instead of competing about the places.
It's definitely different than playing a gig. I like the fact that, you know, people just have to make their mind up on the spot. It's not like they actually came, purposely travelled to a gig, to a venue to see you, and they already know your music. They're just like random people, and they just check you out and they decide there and then. I like watching that happen.
On the street, it's kind of like, we need you guys, and we need to engage with you, and you need to engage with us, and then it changes everything we do.
Around us,
yeah,
buzz going.
And it makes it really exciting, and there's just loads of characters, you know. And I think when you go busking, there's even in mid-tune, like a guy just came up to me and was having a full-blown conversation with me, just like drinking a cup of tea, like, oh, lovely day out. It's like, it's deadly, man. Yeah, I'm just trying to play a little mini gig here, but like, I'm glad you're buzzing. So it's a lovely experience in that way.
Ain't as scary as they seem. All at once the camera stops, all those little lights turn on. You're still stuck here in my thoughts.